What's up YouTube, it's Ray from Clerks Trading Cards, and today I'm going to be opening these two Pokemon Battle Styles booster packs, and then I'm going to go through about 150 cards that I'll be sending to PSA in July when they finally open their doors again. I'll start by opening these packs, see if we can get any nice pulls. We do sell Battle Styles boosters, so if anyone's interested, do please shoot us a message. So over here, get a little coin, Aracuda, nice, there's a code. Let's see what we get in here. Hopefully get something half decent. Zubat, Onyx, Cherubi, and a Houndoom. Nice pull. Why? Fire Red. I should really do the card trick for this, really, shouldn't I? To make it a bit more exciting. So yeah, not bad. I'm happy with that. It's one of my favourite cards, that. Out of the whole Pokemon era. I've got the original Houndoom grading thing. Pretty sure it's a PSA 9 maybe, something like that. Oh, we'll get the Charmander out if we can. Get rid of this rubbish. Nice little Charmander. That's the code if anyone needs it. And then hopefully we can get something nice in this. There's the code. How do you do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, is it? Yeah, I think so. Energy. Tower Waters. Spearow. Shinx, and Weeping Bell, and what do we have here? Nothing. That's still not a bad card. Getting too bad out of them, especially Houndoom. That was beautiful. I'm going to sleeve that up. But the main part of this video is the PSA cards, which I will be sending in July when they finally open the doors. I will start with the Pokemon. I've only got a few Pokemon cards, so we'll start with this, which is a Houndoom first edition, funny enough. Lovely card. It does have a touch of whitening, a little nick on the corner there, bit on the right and the touch on the bottom, so I probably expect a 7 or 8 maybe for this. Still a lovely card. And it's first edition. Rillaboom. Majority of these will be for sale. Pikachu V, and I think I've got 3 of these. Yep. Hopefully one of them gets to 10, just so for my personal collection really. Bulbasaur. That's my favourite Pokemon. Cool Porygon. Chansey from base set 2. Nice. That scuff is actually on the case, not on the card itself. Charizard, it's beautiful. That. Nice. Really hoping that gets a high grade. Another beautiful card. Dark Blastoise. Charmander. Squirtle, and I expect these to get 9s or 10s, as these were pulled from some packs opened a while ago on my base set. Bulbasaur, and another Bulbasaur. Sweet. So that is the Pokemon. We'll leave Charizard at the top make it look nice. Now to the good stuff, Yu-Gi-Oh! Now I've got over 100 cards here to be graded. Multiply first edition ×2. Beautiful cards. Yugioh from Master Collection. Number C101. Yeah, some of these I just want for my collection, but a lot of them will be for sale. Type of Warrior, Ultimate Rare, nice card. Power Tool Dragon, really hope this gets a 10. All these to 9, it's got a tiny ding on the top left there. Like a little dot. Sun Dragon and tie. Beautiful ulti. Moon Dragon, Quilla, first edition. Red Eyes, Flare Metal Dragon. Beautiful card. I really hope this gets a high grade as well. But it actually pulled out a few years ago. Torbus, unlimited unfortunately, but still nice. From the Underworld, lovely secret. We have a Portuguese Blue Eyes White Dragon. Casual Yugi stuff, I think, pulled this on his channel. Portuguese Guy the Fierce Knight. Portuguese Once Reborn. Another Portuguese one, but this has got damage on the back, unfortunately. I'm pretty sure, yeah, just there, so I'm not really sure what I'm actually going to send that or not, to be honest. Probably not. I will check over these, you see, Portuguese. Yugioh, Mania Bug. Pyramid Turtle from TP5. Another card from TP5. Just want some of these graded because they're great. Ultra Dragon, this will not get a 10. It's very OC. As you can see. Still a beautiful card. Godness with the Third Eye. Yeah, I do like the tournament packs. Vanity's Ruler, and I purchased this off eBay a few weeks ago, so really hoping this gets a 10. It has got a strong chance of getting a 10. Slightly OC. That's the only thing that might get it the 10. And now it'll be still sweet though. Tribe Infecting Virus from Magician's Force, 1st edition. Grave Robber from Pharaoh's Servants. Aqua Priest. Backup Soldier. I'm going through these quick because I have got a lot of cards to go through. I have a Buster Blade there, which is absolutely beautiful, the original. We have a Chain Destruction. We have a few of these Legendary Collection God cards. I thought it'd be quite nice to sell them as a set for people. These are a lot cheaper than the GBI ones, so hopefully some of these get 10s. They will all be for sale when they come back. I mean, don't get it wrong, it probably will take about a year or so, but Fiend Sanctuary, XYZ Dragon Cannon, Whitestone Legend, Return from a Different Dimension. The next pile of cards are so much better, to be honest. But yeah, these will all be for sale. Love that card. Hammer Shot. That's from Rare, 1st edition. Iron Dragon level 7. This has got damage on the back. It's got little nicks. A few little nicks. Actually, that's probably not going to end up going either. I need to check over these, to be honest. 1st edition Ghost Ray Jump Berserker. And this, a Luminous Soldier from TP5. Beautiful card. I really hope this gets a 10. Really do. I pulled this myself, so I really hope that gets a 10. Lead them on the way. Now these are a lot better, I promise you guys. Got a Stardust Dragon. Patrol Ship. Scrap Dragon, Ultimate Rare. Really hope this gets a 10 away. I just do like the artwork on it. Newbolt. Lord of the Day, first edition from Start Kaiba. Flutus Summon Dragon as well. Be nice to get the pair in the 10. Skull Dice and Graceful Dice. Lovely cards, especially in to get a decent grade. We've got Guy the Dragon Champion, which is not a reprint. Unlimited but not a reprint. Then we have another one. And another one, but this is a European one. The others are both N8. A Tryon Dragon. Celtic Guardian, and to be honest, we've got a few Celtic Guardians. A couple of European, the majority are, I think, NA, if I remember correctly. But these are all original, not reprints, which is quite nice. Yeah, I've got a new light on the side, guys, so I'm trying to get it in the best position so you can see the cards. Yeah, I think I've got 8 of these, I think. Really hoping for at least 1 or 2 10s. Oh, Mystical Elf. Ian, pulled this myself. Lovely card. Another Mystical Elf. Another Mystical Elf. Another Mystical Elf. And another Mystical Elf. Really hoping some of these do get 10s. Another Mystical Elf. Swords of Green Light. Again, these aren't reprints, you can kind of tell. And the light, when the light catches it. That's European, so it's totally different anyway. Nice. So, but yeah, like I said, these will be getting sold. Curse of Dragon. Another Curse of Dragon. Another Curse of Dragon. Guy the First Knight. Nice European card. I do actually prefer European cards. I know they're not as valuable, but obviously from being from the United Kingdom, I do prefer them. More nostalgic to me. First edition Polymerization. Another unlimited one. Dark Hole. Got a couple of these. Another Dark Hole. Another Dark Hole. Manatee Bug. Great card when it first came out. Another Manatee Bug. Another Manatee Bug. A Trap Hole. Nice card. Nice trap card. Another Trap Hole. Barrel Dragon First Edition. Really hoping this gets a good grade. The scuffs are actually on the cover, not on the card, so really hoping that gets a 9 or 10. Unlimited 1000 Dragon. Another 1000 Dragon. A Summoned Skull, which is a nice card. Really hoping that gets a 10. I've actually got it in PSA 10, but with my another one, another Summoned Skull. Time Wizard. Time Wizard again. And the First Edition Time Wizard. Black Skull Dragon. Do need this in PSA 10, so hopefully that does get a PSA 10. Some Judgments, another great card. Horn of Heaven. Nice. Sujin. Cajun, First Edition. Kajin or Cajun, however you want to pronounce it. Another one. Sang of the Thunder. Another one. Harpy Lady Sisters. Catapult Turtle, another one of my favourite cards. Great back in the day. Catapult Turtle again. Karibo. Lovely card. And finally, a Heavy Storm First Edition. So yeah, guys, I'll be sending all these to, well, bar I think 2 in there, which had a little bit of damage on the back. I'll be sending all these to PSA in July when they open the doors. Probably majority of these will go bulk, so they probably take a good year to come back. But yeah, it's been a great video. Got some nice pulls there, especially the Houndoom. But yeah, I will be selling a good 90% of these probably. So when they do come back, I will list them either on the website or just put them on Instagram and see if anyone likes them. Or I'll probably make a video, 2 honest returns video when they come back. But it's going to be a good year, so plenty of time to save up some money. But yeah, it's been a great video, guys, and I really appreciate it. And I shall see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.